Hello, this is Glenn Sample speaking. Dorothy and I would like to introduce you to our Garden Grove studio apartment that we rent to travel nurses. This is the neighborhood in Garden Grove, California. It's in Orange County. The apartment is located on the back of our house. It's a completely self-contained private entrance, 500 square foot studio apartment. Here's our address, 12381 Pine Street, Garden Grove, California. Now as we move across the front yard, we're going to approach the side yard, and this is the gate that leads to the travel apartment in the back. It's a very beautiful day in Southern California, sunny, 80 degrees. Looking forward to a nice day here in California. Walking back along the side of the house, we approach our backyard, and on the left you'll see a stairway that leads up to a patio, veranda type porch. 2 steps and you're at the entrance of the apartment. I'm just going to scan around the backyard before we go in and look at the apartment. We have 3 laying hens and 3 rabbits in our little farm yard. We also have an avocado tree, an orange tree, a lime tree, a garden, and you'll enjoy the view out of your veranda into our beautiful backyard. As you approach and go through the French doors, you see the bedroom with the blackout blinds, looking outdoors through the French door into the yard. And here is our efficiency kitchen, equipped with every appliance you could possibly use to cook anything you like. It's very comfortable. Everything is new and fresh and well maintained. It's everything that you might need, right down to the very dishes and plates and silverware. There you go. There's our bathroom and large walk-in closet. You have a private washer and dryer. There's our walk-in closet. Plenty of space for your needs. A walk-in shower, and the scene of the house from the rear view. Now, the beautiful thing about this apartment is where it's located. You see the studio apartment on the right, or on the left-hand side there. Down below is Garden Grove Hospital. Up above is UCI, which is 10 minutes away. And further down the road, you see C.H.O.C Hospital and St.Joseph's, just 15 minutes away. Here's the information about our travel nurse apartment. It's quiet, it's safe, it's separate. Block out blinds, washer and dryer, cable TV, queen bed, walk-in closet, efficiency kitchen. We rent this apartment for $2,100 a month, usually on a 3-month basis for travel nurses. $200 deposit is all you need, and $100 of that is refundable cleaning. So call Dorothy and get any information you like. 714-315-2511.